Hey guys, my name is Evan. I have a mixed up Rubik's Cube here. And I'm going to mix it up a little bit, you know, to let you guys know I'm not really cheating or anything. I've been trying this before. A piece popped off when I was in the water, so I'm a little out of breath, so hopefully I can do this. Alright, I'm going to try to solve this underwater. And as you can see, there's no Rubik's Cube in the water. There's nothing here. All I got is this weight belt helping me to stay underwater.
Wait, there's a couple pieces together, and those 3 yellows in a row. Mix them up a little bit.
Mix them up more.